What is up guys, it's Sean here again, and today I'll be unboxing the all new AirPods Pro 2nd generation. I finally decided to upgrade from the 1st-gen AirPods Pros that I had, and yeah, I've heard these are much better sounding and these have twice as more noise cancelling now compared to the old ones. So let's go ahead and unbox this up. I of course bought these from Amazon, that's why they came in this Amazon Prime shipping box. Let's open this up. Okay, and here are the AirPods Pro 2nd Gen, right here in the small box. Apple logos on the sides, and as you guys can see, 2nd Gen, designed by Apple in California. On the other side, you get Apple logo again, and then it says AirPods Pro here, and on the bottom, it just shows the case that it comes with, and of course the charging cable. And now they're coming with the USB-C port. So that's amazing. You can just use your iPhone charger or your MacBook charger to charge these. So let's go ahead and open these seals up. Alright, let's pull these tabs to open this box. Alright. Here we are presented with the user manuals. It says designed by Apple in California. Let's see what we have in here. So a quick start guide right here. Of course, some safety information and warranty guide. I don't think I'll be reading these. So there are no Apple stickers. Yeah, I don't think they come with Apple stickers. And I don't remember if the first ones came with Apple stickers. And here are the AirPods Pro 2nd Gen, all wrapped up in this plastic. Let's unwrap these real quick. And wow, yeah, these are the same material as the previous ones, all shiny and brand new. So now these come with a USB-C port and also a speaker. So if you lose these or you misplace them somewhere in your house, you can use the Find My app to ring these, and that way you can easily find them. And here's a wireless charging plate right here. And yeah, let's open these up. Yeah, I just heard the speaker. That is amazing, because my old ones did not have a speaker. Let's put these to the side and see what else we get in the box. So here's the all new USB-C cable. And oh wow, these come with the new braided cable as well. Apple is doing a really good job with their new cables. These are a lot more durable compared to the old rubber plastic cables. And wow, yeah, and these are, I'm guessing, 1 meter. Yeah, of course this is 1 meter. Let's see what else we have. So here are some extra ear tips. So if you have bigger ears, you can change the ear tips to get a better fit and get better sound. I don't think I'll be changing mine for now. And yeah guys, that's gonna be it for this quick unboxing of the new AirPods Pro 2nd Gen. And yeah, I hope you liked this video. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, please subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.